fuck is that? What are you doing?
What?
Put your hands
Why are you
in
doing
there.
that?
Wait, why didn't it go off?
Okay, are you okay?
See, look.
So it's fake? And you think that's funny?
No one said it was fake.
Well, did you want to trespass him?
No, just say no.
You're trespassing for the day?
No.
You do realize
guys
in your
need to go.
library, he's going to post that through social media. May want to call your legal department.
He's just mad because you don't want to trespass me.
They're free to record.
Ooh, dang. That's
What they were
crazy.
recording-
You want to play dumb little childish game?
Look, you're talking a little
Is that what
loud.
you
We're
wanna
in a
do?
library.
Okay, don't be concerned with how I talk, all right?
All right, okay, fine.
We're going to have to ask you guys to leave.
Oh, okay, now I'm going to leave.
Yeah,
You're going to wait right now.
Now you want to run out like a coward?
Yeah.
Come take your medicine, buddy. Please don't have to stay.
I know. You want to take me in?
Oh, I do.
At least you admit it.